I am a lucky man.
Don't make me cry. You look cute.
You look amazing. You look amazing.
I don't know how long we stand here for.
I don't know either.
Okay.
But it's amazing. And you look
All right.
beautiful.
Thank you.
And I'm trying not to make you cry.
Okay. Don't make me cry.
Mama, you showed me love. What grace in the kids of the
Jessica, I love you. 3 simple words that say so much, yet still fail to describe how much you truly mean to me.
Austin, I could stand here and tell you how much I love you, but those words would mean nothing unless they are shown through repeated little acts of devotion.
I'm here, I'm the source of your comfort. By the time
Good relationships, I feel, are built around good times. I'm lucky to have added one more friend to that circle, Jess. I've never seen Austin as happy since he's been with Jess.
it's in joy that I come from. Nothing here could block your truth.
Many people believe that entering into marriage is the final step in a romantic relationship. A couple meets, gets to know each other, falls in love, decide if they want to spend the rest of their lives together, and then take that grand final leap, marriage. But marriage is hardly the end to a couple's journey of love together. Rather, it is only the beginning of a brand new adventure.
It's been a tough year and a half for all of us, and we appreciate it. You guys took the time to join Austin and Jess in their celebration.
A big congratulations to Jess and Austin. He had the wonderful classical touch to actually reach out to me to ask for Jessica's hand in marriage.
It's in joy that I come from. Nothing here could block your truth.
Every day I wake up still unaware of how I deserve such a strong, intelligent, beautiful, and caring woman. You simply being by my side inspires me to be a better man every day.
I vow that I will choose you every day, 1,000,000 times over, not because I have to, but because I want to.
Jesse, you are truly a gem, and I am so grateful for our friendship and that I get to watch you blossom and enjoy this next chapter of your life.
Austin and Jessica, today you have shared the vows you have made to each other on your wedding day almost a year ago. These vows are now made new with your friends and family as witnesses. It is with great pleasure that I conclude this celebration of marriage that binds you as husband and wife. Go ahead and kiss your bride.
Have no fear. You're standing my love.
They say that you don't marry the person you can live with, you marry the person that you can't live without, and that certainly applies to the two of you. So please join me, everyone, in saying cheers to the happy couple.
Love is an invisible force that connects our relationships. Relationships with family, friends, lovers, and everything in between. It transcends time and space and brings us together, regardless of where we find ourselves. May the love that you both share for each other always remain strong and be at the core of your relationship.
Miles from the gun. Oh, good grace consume this blue. It's in joy that I come from. Nothing here could block your truth. Love, it ain't enough. I'm captured by the good you do.